Whenever you have a cable that is under tension, such as in a reeling application, you need to make sure that you're using a product that is specially designed to withstand that type of stress. Most cables aren't, and if you put them on a reel, you'll experience corkscrewing and premature failure. I have examples of two of Amphenol TPC's reeling cables to show you the variety we offer. We have our Super Trex P&R cable and our Trexonics reduced diameter extra heavy duty reeling cable. Let's talk about the basics that make these ATPC cables perform extremely well in reeling and tensile applications. First, Amphenol TPC's reeling cables all use a jacket braid jacket design. If you look at the end, you can see that the jacket has two layers with a reinforcing braid in between. This adds extra strength. This illustration shows an internal view of what jacket braid jacket construction looks like. Next, our Live Flex conductor insulation is specially designed to reduce friction. This allows the conductors to move freely against each other as the cable flexes and results in a longer flex life. If you take this P&R cable and put your thumbs on either end, flex it, and you can feel the conductors moving freely and independently within the jacket. This makes the cable more flexible and results in a longer flex life. Finally, you'll notice that despite their toughness, the overall diameter of our P&R and Trexonics extra heavy-duty reeling cables is relatively small. The smaller the diameter of the cable, the tighter it can bend and the more suitable it's going to be for use on a reel. This also makes the cable easier to handle. For more information about our reeling cables, please visit tpcwire.com.